Hello, I'm Helen and welcome to my super small London kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really simple 5-ingredient pepper salad. We have this about twice a month, I would think, all year, because we have salads for lunch and I like to vary my vegetables and serve a non-lettuce based salad. So we need some nice olive oil, balsamic vinegar, some bell peppers, we call them peppers here, but bell peppers, a few of each colour. I think I've got 4 in total. Capers, which add some saltiness and some piquancy, and a few garlic cloves. So to start with, we're going to cut these peppers into strips, and then we're going to peel and roughly chop the garlic. I like to keep a bowl to put all the bits in and the seeds. We don't want those, and we don't want the membranes. So I've almost sliced the peppers and I've peeled and chopped the garlic, and as I said, this dish has only 5 ingredients and it's really great for taking to a party, feeding a crowd, serve it at a barbecue. Your peppers, I'm using 4. You probably want more red pepper than green pepper because the red pepper is a bit sweeter. And yeah, so just I finished chopping and then in a moment we'll start to cook. So next we're going to cook the peppers. We need a big heavy pan set over a medium heat. Sorry, my induction hob is a bit noisy, it's got a fan in it. Then we're going to add a good glug or a good slosh of extra virgin olive oil. Nothing too expensive, cooking one rather than something you make dressings from. Add your peppers and we're going to cook these about 5 minutes until they're starting to brown on the edges. So I've been cooking the peppers for about 5 minutes. And you can see they're browning and they're lovely and soft. Now we're going to add the garlic and the capers, put those in, and just cook for about another minute until the garlic's fragrant. Garlic's cooked, I can smell it, and there's a lovely vinegary smell coming from the capers. So I'm going to turn the heat off, and now I'm going to glug in some balsamic vinegar. You want a fairly good balsamic vinegar for this, something that's sticky, quite viscous. One of the more expensive ones in the shop, but not so expensive it makes you wince when you go to pay for it. And we just stir this in. The balsamic will make a dressing with the remains of the olive oil once the salad's cold. You can have this warm, or you can pop it into a pot in the fridge and leave it overnight, and then lots of juices come from the pepper and make a really nice dressing for it. Just make sure you take it out of the fridge and serve it at room temperature. And there we have it, a really super easy 5-ingredient Italian style pepper salad with garlic, capers and delicious balsamic vinegar. Scrumptious!